Ever dreamt of bringing your own comic book stories to life with just a few clicks? Today, we're diving headfirst into Leonardo Ai to make that dream a reality, generating stunning comic book-style images from scratch. First, let's visualize our scene, think about the action and the mood for our first panel. We'll aim for a dynamic superhero, landing. I'll type in a prompt like superhero landing dramatically in a bustling city street, dramatic lighting, dynamic pose. We can also specify artistic styles like comic book art, bold outlines, vibrant colors to instantly give it that classic feel. Now, let's hit generate and see what amazing creations Leonardo Ai conjures up. Explore those options, remixing and regenerating until you get that perfect panel that captures your vision. Don't be afraid to play with different keywords. Subtle changes can drastically alter the outcome. Once we have our hero's dramatic entrance, it's time to build our narrative for the next panel. Let's transition to a character close-up. I'll describe a scene where our hero is looking determined, maybe with a hint of worry. A prompt like close-up on superhero's determined face, sweat dripping, intense eyes, stormy sky background, comic art style will set the stage. The magic of comic creation is in the flow between panels. We'll select a character shot that complements our previous image now for the dialogue and storytelling. While Leonardo Ai excels at imagery, we can visually imply speech for our next panel. Let's create a reaction shot from a civilian. I'll prompt civilian's shocked face, mouth open, pointing at the superhero, debris in the background, comic art style. We'll pick an expressive civilian image to suggest speech bubbles. We can subtly guide the AI. For instance, imagine this panel is meant to have a character shouting a warning. While we can't directly add bubbles within Leonardo Ai, we can generate panels where the character's pose and expression strongly imply dialogue, like a pointed finger or an open mouth directed at the hero. You'd then add these speech bubbles in a separate image editing tool. And there, you have it, the foundation for your very own iPod comic book pages, complete with panel layout, character moments, and a distinct comic aesthetic. Experiment, innovate, and let your imagination run wild with Leonardo Ai.